Patenting innovations in metal 3D printing techniques. Metal 3D printing techniques include selective laser melting, SLM, electron beam melting, EBM, and binder jetting, each offering unique methods for creating parts. Key innovations in metal 3D printing include advanced metal alloys, improved printing techniques like SLM and binder jetting, and enhanced post-processing methods. Patent criteria for metal 3D printing innovations include novelties, new materials or methods, non-obviousness, not easily deduced by experts, and utility, clear performance or cost benefits. Challenges in patenting metal 3D printing include proving novelty and non-obviousness, staying current with rapid technological advancements, and navigating regulatory compliance across markets. Strategies for filing patents in metal 3D printing include securing process patents for unique methods, material patents for new alloys or powders, and design patents for innovative geometries. Collaboration and licensing opportunities involve forming partnerships with research institutions and industry leaders, monetizing patents through licensing agreements, and fostering innovation through shared expertise. Seeking legal guidance includes obtaining patent law expertise for navigating complex applications, ensuring regulatory compliance with industry standards, and drafting strong, clear, and enforceable patent claims. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.